This is a simplified model showing the construction of the slab at the site. The columns are constructed to floor level. The timber formwork is constructed around and in between the columns. Reinforcement for the connected beams is added. As I said, this is a simplified model, so in a real-life situation, the reinforcement would be a bit more detailed than this. The blocks are picked up, flipped over and placed on the formwork, with the flat face up and the void underneath. So another block is added directly next to the first, so on and so forth, creating a line of blocks. A second line of blocks is added with a space in between the first line. What we are creating here is spaces and obstructions for the concrete mixture to flow, so when it cures or sets, we end up with places where there's no concrete, hence making the slab lighter. The spaces in between the blocks are what we call ribs, which are essentially smaller beams. This area also needs to be reinforced. Above the blocks, there's a thin slab, which needs to be reinforced. And once all the reinforcement is added, the concrete can be poured.